In order to preserve energy, Chrome OS by default will put your device to sleep when you are not using it for a while. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove the restriction on your device and let the device, let Chromebook just keep turning on, keep the display on, and keep doing whatever it is doing, even though you are away from the keyboard, you're not interacting with the device. And I think this is very useful in some situations, like when you are doing a scan, or maybe you are downloading something from the internet and you just want to make sure that the display is on and you don't want to put the device into the sleep mode. Here's how you can do it. First, go to the launcher menu and then open Settings, click here. And after that, you want to scroll down and go to System Preferences. This is where we can control the power setting. Click Power. And here we have two options that are responsible for putting the device into the sleep mode. Now, on the first option, it says while inactive and plugged in, the device will go into the sleep mode. You can click and change the setting. I'm going to just keep the display on. And also, I'll do the same for this scenario where the device is inactive, but it is in the battery power. I'm going to keep display on, so basically the display is still running and the screen is also on, so I can see what's going on the device. So that's the two settings that you need to change in order to make the Chromebook, or prevent the Chromebook from entering the automatic sleeping mode. So I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more tutorial video like this. And I'll see you on the next tutorial video.